Hello children, good morning all of you. Have a nice day. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about 10th class assignment number 60 children, dated 20th 2020, and the topic is from probability. So if you come back to the first one of the first Roman, if probability of an event okay is 0.05 this is given, okay children, then what is the probability of not E? Then what is the probability of not an event? Probability of not an event is also considered bar E children. This is how much? We know very well, okay, probability of an event plus probability of not an event together 1. Sum of all possibilities is whole part. So that is, it is given as 0.05, then probability of not an event, right, as it is 1. Therefore, probability of not an event is equal to 1 minus 0.05. That means 1.00, 0.05. Let us subtract 590. So 0.95 is the probability of not an event. Probability of not E is 0.95. It is there in the second option children. It is there in the second option. So our next question from the first Roman is second one. Probability of an event named like G, given that probability of G is how much it is? 13 by 17. 13 by 17. Then what is the probability of not G? This is the question they are asking. We know very well probability of G and the probability of G bar, that means not G, is 1. From there, this is 13 by 17 plus probability of not G is equal to 1. So from there, probability of G is equal to 1 minus 13 by 17 after you transpose. Then if you simplify this, this is 17 minus 13 by 17, then it is 4 by 17. Probability of not G is 4 by 17. Okay children, so this is there in the first option. It is given in first option. So our next Roman is second Roman. Third one, see, a bag contains 5 red balls, 8 white balls, given that, okay, in a bag, okay, number of red balls, how much? 5. And number of white balls, how much? 8. So total number of balls 13. Okay, if a ball is ran at random from the bag, what is the probability that will be a white ball? Then probability of white ball is equal to number of positive outcomes, favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So how many white balls are there? 8. What are the total outcomes? 8 plus 5. So this is 8 by 13 is the probability of getting white ball. Now what is the probability of not to be white ball? That means this is the first one. Second one, they are asking what is the probability of not white ball. as you know, okay, this is 1 minus probability of white ball. This is since probability of an event plus probability of not an event is equal to 1. From that, if you transpose this to right side, this is. So this is 1 minus 8 by 13. That means 13 minus 8 by 13. That will be 5 by 13. Out of 13, 8 are positive outcomes for white balls. So not positive outcomes for white balls means rest of the things are 5. So 5 by 13 is the probability of getting the ball should be not a white color. That is 5 by 13. Okay. So which is nothing but probability of not white is nothing but other color. This is equal to probability of red. This is equal to probability of red, because red balls are 5 among the total number of balls. Okay children, so this is the explanation for third one. So our next question, fourth one. So what is the fourth one? What is the probability of a number packed from first 20 natural numbers is even composite number? What is the probability of a number packed from first 20 natural numbers? Okay, so here given that, okay, what is the maximum source? What are the total outcomes? Total natural numbers given. What they given? What is the probability of number packed from first 20 natural numbers? First 20 natural numbers like 1, 2, they are 1, 2, 3 and so on 20 natural numbers. From that, what is the probability of getting even composite? Okay, so what are the even composite among the all? Okay, so 2 is even prime. 2 is not a composite, 2 is prime. So 4 is the composite number as well as even number, and 6 also composite number as well as even number, and 8 even composite, 10 even composite, 12, 14, okay, 16, 18, okay. So first 20 means 20 also included. So these are the even natural numbers, okay, even composite numbers up to 20. Among first 20 natural numbers. Now, what is the probability of even composite? What is the probability of even composite among first 20 natural numbers? So, number of favorable outcomes. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by, this is total outcomes, 20. If any cancellations are there, let us do it. Otherwise, this is only the answer. So, what is the probability of getting even composite number from the first 20 natural numbers? This is 9 by 20. Okay. Let us cross check one more time. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's all. That's all. Okay. Because we want even composite. Right. Okay. This is the explanation for fourth one, children. And our fifth one is third Roman, fifth question. Yes, a bag contains 20 discs. Okay, given that, let us try to write every information in a step-by-step manner, children. So, a bag contains 20 discs. So, given that, number of discs in a bag, okay, is equal to how much it is? 20, right? Which are numbered from 1 to 20, okay, numbered from every disc. Okay, suppose if you are thinking this is the shape of the disc 1, 2, like that. It is up to 20, numbered from 1 to 20. So 20 discs are there, right? If one disc is drawn at random from the bag, find the probability that bears, first one, probability of an even number. Okay, so what are the probability of an even number from first to 20 natural numbers? 20 discs means here, as every disc is numbered from 1 to 20. Okay, in first 20 natural numbers, how many even numbers are there? Okay, 10 by 20, because we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So as we have 10 even numbers, 10 even numbers among 20 discs. Okay, so this is 10 by 20, so this is 1 by 2. So what is the probability of an even? 1 by 2. Then what is the probability of prime number? What is the second one? Probability of prime. So what are the prime numbers between 1 and 20? Okay, they are, see for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, these are the prime numbers, okay, among first 20 natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as we have 8 favorable outcomes among 20 natural numbers. So 8 by 20, cancellation, 4 table. So what is the probability of getting prime number? 2 by 5. Then what is the probability of multiple of 5? Third one, probability of multiple of 5. So generally, what are the multiples of 5? 5 table children. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 fours are. So 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the multiples of 5. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiples of 5s are there in first 20 natural numbers. So favorable outcomes 4 among 20. So this is 1 by 5. 4 ones are, 4 fives are. Then what is the probability of getting 2-digit odd number? Probability of 2-digit odd number. Probability of getting 2-digit odd number. Probability of getting 2-digit odd number means what, sir? First of all, 2-digit numbers means 1 to 9 single digit numbers. 10 to 20 2-digit numbers. In 10 to 20 we need odd numbers. So that this is 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Okay. So 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 are odd numbers and 2-digit numbers. Okay. So how many are there? 5. So 5 favorable outcomes among total outcomes. So this is 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4 children. Okay. So this is the explanation for 5th question. So that's all for today's assignment. So have a nice day and keep working. Thank you.